Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to transform any photo into a beautiful realistic pencil sketch portrait using Pippit AI. So Pippit AI is an AI-powered creative platform tool that will help you to create any AI content like maybe a talking photo, avatar video, product showcase, and then AI designs and many more. And then in here we will use this tool to create an AI creative image, the realistic pencil sketch portrait. And then if you want to try this tool, you can just click the link in the description or pin comment to access this tool. And then okay, let's get started. First just open Pippin AI and then go to more and then just choose image studio, choose AI designs, upload your photo that you want to transform. For example, this one, and then after that just write your prompt. Before I already prepared my prompt like this, you can just copy my prompt, or if you want to tweak it a little bit, just tweak it as you like. And after that, just choose your AI model, choose your ratio and resolutions, and then just click submit and wait for the process. And okay, like this, you can see the result. I think it looks so cool. As you can see, it's really realistic and so beautiful. Okay, that's it. Maybe you can just try it with your own photo and then just take a look for the result. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.